Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. So welcome to our project Pin Potholes. Overview. Our main objectives are: first of all, our project focuses on road safety, along which will help our users to get rid of potholes by using our app. Coming to the problem statement, people faces many difficulties caused of these potholes. Some of them even lost their lives. By minding all these things, we created an app where a user can inform about potholes. About our app. After opening the app, we had to register ourselves by entering the name, email, password, and phone number. Later, we had to go back to the login page and enter our credentials. It will redirect you to the home dashboard where four options like add, share, settings, and about are given. And coming to this is the flowchart of our app, where the user can register himself and then he can be able to access the login, which will be further redirected to the home dashboard, where he can be able to see four buttons. In the add button, he can upload the image and also he can share his address also. And coming to the about button, he can see the terms and conditions which must be followed by the users. Otherwise, they should be terminated. And coming to the next, this is the UI design of our app, where the user credentials will be there and the settings add button will be there. And the user can even get the easy access of the latitude and longitude at instant. And coming to the roadmap, our team started looking for the ideas for the project in the first week. And after doing the necessary research, we finalized our project Pin Potholes in the second stage. And after that, we started learning topics related to our project. And we went the entire research and we started implementing all those ideas and all those topics which we learned in the project. And finally, what we did means like we completed all those milestones and tasks which were assigned to us. And finally, we successfully made the app. Coming to the individual contributions, C. Leela Sahit Reddy, he made the database and backend part and bit analysis of the project. And coming to Vansh Dubey, he is responsible for making the whole app working properly and he did the backend part and editing. And myself, Krishnanandan, I created the entire UI part along with the front end designing and content writing also. So, hello everyone. My name is Sanapala Krishnanandan and I'm from Andhra Pradesh studying BTech second year in Bennett University. Coming to the project, I created the UI design for the entire project and I also contributed my work in designing along with the content writing and I did some work in the front end part also. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. I am Vansh Dubey, a student from CSE branch, Bennett University, along with my teammates, have created a project, Pin Potholes, that will be helpful in informing about the potholes. I am responsible for implementation and working of our project, along with some backend part. Thank you.
My name is C. Leela Sahit Reddy. I am from AP. I am studying second year in BTech Computer Science, Bennett University. And I have done the MySQL database, which stores the data in a web server. And I have done the backend part of our app. That's all from my side. Now I'm going to demonstrate our project.
Coming to the demo, first of all, the user have to enter the credentials and after registering, he have to log in the page in order to access the app. So after entering his details and password, he can get the access for the app. And then he can be able to see the four buttons where settings in the settings button, he can update his profile. And in about button, he can see the terms and conditions which were must for every user. And in my location, he can get the instant access of latitude and longitude, as we can able to see in the screen. And in the add button, the user have to upload the latitude and longitude along with the email in order to counter the solution. In this way, our app gonna works. Thank you for the video. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. The team consists of Vansh Dubey, Leela Sahit Reddy, and Sanapalli Krishnanandan. And we wanna thank Bennett University for giving such an opportunity where we explored ourselves and we learned many new things. That's it, guys. Team Pin Potholes signing off.